What's up guys, welcome back to another video. So today I am back with yet another pre-release unboxing for you guys. So before we get started, do not forget to subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram. Alright guys, so here it is. As you can see, this is the usual Jordan 1 Nike box, which obviously means I have a brand new Air Jordan 1 to unbox for you guys. So these are the Air Jordan 1 Obsidian, as you must have seen on Instagram and everywhere else on the internet. So these have not yet released, but I was able to get my hands on an early pair. So here they are. So let's get right into it. Alright, so here they are. So basically these are the men's version of what we have previously seen as the Blue Chill colorway that was released in the patent leather. As you have seen in one of my videos before, I got those as well. So let's go ahead and take a closer look at the shoe. As you can see, the leather looks really nice on the shoe, and I can probably say it is not as good as the SBBs, but it is very close to it, maybe better than the others. So I was personally waiting for this shoe from a long time, which is why I decided to go for the early pair. Also, this comes with an extra pair of laces that is in the same Blue Chill colorway. Apart from that, there's not a lot to talk about the shoe. I think these shoes are going to look great. That is because I think it's very easy to wear and pair it up with anything and everything. So these are set to release on the 31st of August for a retail price of about $160, and I personally feel they will resell for about anything between $350 to $550. Let's quickly go ahead and see how they look on fit. Also guys, there's a little bit of update about Nike Sneakers app. So I've been getting a lot of questions from all you guys to make a video on how to pop Jordans from the Nike Sneakers app. And the reason I've not been doing that is because there is no official way to buy sneakers from there in India. But just yesterday morning I got an email from Nike India saying that the Nike Sneakers app has launched in India. Although we do not have much details about it, so I'm not really sure how that is going to work out, but although this seems to be a good news. So I will soon come back with another video about the details on how to buy from Nike Sneakers India platform and actually how good the platform is in India. So that's all for today from me guys. Let me know in the comment section below if you like these Jordans and if you're going to go for it. My personal suggestion would be you should definitely go for it, and I shall see you soon in the next video. Peace.